Okay, so the outside alarm is not set up yet, because otherwise what I'm about to do would terrify the neighbors. It's one of the sensors not hooked up yet either. Yeah, it links to an app, but then there's also these key fobs. So right now it's disarmed, but I'm going to arm it. Is this it? Okay, I think it's armed. Yeah, I just got a text on my phone saying the security system's been armed. So I'm not on Wi-Fi. This would work when I'm at work too. And then there is the security dog installed as well. But yeah, 130 decibels is louder than a muscle car's exhaust. I mean, that's probably around 100 and 110 decibels, so 130 is loud. I'm going to separate these now with my hand over it to mute it some. And that's with my hand over it. And I just got a message on my phone saying I disarmed the alarm.
So I just purchased this, got it today. Easy setup. It obviously comes with a manual for you to set up with, but it comes with two remotes. I gave one to my husband. I'm gonna show you guys what it'll look like. So I had to kind of like do mine that way because of the grooves in my thing. But if you do away mode, as long as there's like these little triangles on them so that they line up. So and then you'll hit this. You'll hit the unlock 3 times. So this is if you're away. This is if obviously like you need to turn it off. This one is if you're at home and you just want the security of feeling safe. And this is the SOS mode.
Sensores para las ventanas o puertas, que en este caso yo renombré, para poderlo hacer más fácil y después irme a pegar todos más fácil. Viene con 2 controles, uno ya está en otras llaves. Viene en una caja bien con un sticker. La verdad es un muy buen producto. La aplicación es súper fácil de configurar y no le crean a la gente que dice que está difícil de configurar, y simplemente porque no leyeron el manual. En el manual claramente dice, ya está listo. Lo único que tienes que hacer es quitar estos plastiquitos y los sensores ya funcionan. Y este ya funciona, todo ya viene configurado. ¿Qué más puedes pedir? Viene con cable de corriente para la bocina. Ya, cómpralo.